Imagine yourself in this 2010 Chevrolet Equinox LT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear-view camera assist, power driver's seat, front-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, automatic headlights, privacy glass and satellite radio. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.